How to create a Wise account. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to wise.com. Once done, you will be routed to their landing page. Now here in the upper right hand corner beside the login button, there is the register icon. Click on that one. Now once you've clicked on register, you will be routed to the account creation page. Now in here, all you need to do is to input your email address. Let me just type in my email address. Alright, once done, you can click on next, but there are also other ways in order for you to create an account. You can choose Google, Facebook, or Apple. Now, let's click on next. I want to show a step-by-step process basically. Now, the next step is simply to choose what kind of account you would like to open. So we have two kinds of accounts here, the personal account and the business account. So for this one, you can send, spend, and receive around the world for less, and for business account, do business or freelance work internationally. So for this one, my purpose would be for a personal account. So let's click on it. Now here, choose the country where you're living, or your country of primary residence. Now the next step is to simply input your phone number, since Wise will be sending you a code afterwards to verify that it is you. After that, click on send verification code and wait for the message from your mobile phone to be sent. Once you've received the message or the 6-digit code, all you need to do is to type it in the bar. Now hit on submit, and then you will be able to create your password lastly. Hit on continue afterwards, and there you have it. You're registered with Wise. So that's it about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.